Hello students, welcome back to the English virtual class. Today we are going to start new chapter of unit 2, that is a story. The name of the story is I Want. Before reading the story, let us know the summary of the story. This is the story of a monkey who wants to become strong. One wise woman came to know about this. She gave one magic stick to the monkey to fulfill all his wishes. First of all, he wants to become a giraffe. Then, he wants to become an elephant. And at last, he wants to become a zebra. All his wishes are granted. At last, when he comes along the river, he finds himself looking so scary. He felt so bad. After watching his face, he told his mother that he was happy being himself. Then he wishes to become monkey again. His wish was granted and he became monkey again. He threw away his magic stick. So now let's start reading the story. I want. I want to be big, says little monkey. I want to be strong. A wise woman hears him. Take this magic wand, she says, and all your wishes can come true. So let's first understand this paragraph. Here you can see that monkey wants to be big and strong. A wise woman gave him a magic wand. Let's move on to the next para. A giraffe comes by. He stretches his long neck. He eats the sweet leaves at the top of the trees. I want a long neck, says little monkey. Pop. Here, the monkey wants to be like a giraffe. He wants a long neck. Now, let's move on to the next para. His neck grows long, just like the giraffe's. Now, as the monkey has the magic wand, so he wished a neck like a giraffe. Now, moving on to the next page and the next para. Just like that, he grows a trunk. He is very happy. That is fun, he says. Now, here the monkey is happy by getting a trunk like a monkey. Next, little monkey sees a zebra. I want stripes like those. He says, whiz. Now that monkey came across a zebra. He looked at the zebra and he want the stripes like that zebra. So he moved his magic wand and said, whiz. Now let's move on to the next para. Little monkey has stripes all over his body, just like the zebra. He is very, very happy. He goes to the river to try out his new trunk. He looks down, he sees himself in the water. Now here the little monkey is very happy as he got all the things he want. He got a magic trunk like the elephant, and neck like the zebra, and stripes over his body. Now he goes to the river to see how this trunk helps him to get the water. When he looks down into the river, he cried. What he said? Let's move on to the next para. Mother, he cries. Help! A monster? That's not a monster, says his mother. That's you. Now here, when the monkey sees himself in the river, he cried loudly, oh, that's a monster. But his mother said that is not a monster, that is you. Now, moving on to the next para. You want the giraffe's neck, an elephant's trunk, and stripes like a zebra. Don't you remember? Now his mother said that this is all you want for yourself. You want a giraffe neck and that's you get it. And you want an elephant neck and stripes like a zebra. Don't you remember? Don't you remember that you all this want? Now the little monkey cries and cries. A look awful. He says, I want to be myself again. There is a pop, a bang, and a whiz. Little monkey is himself again. He jumps for joy. Now the little monkey is feeling regret that he wanted to be like others. He was himself very good. So now he said that I want to be myself again. I want to look myself again. Now he moved his magic wand, pop, bang and whiz, and he becomes the little monkey again. Now he is very happy. So let's move on to the next page and the next para. The next para is, he throws the magic wand into the river. He never wants to be anyone else again. Here, the monkey is happy by finding himself again. He throws the magic wand and he asks himself that he never wants to be anyone else again. So in this story, we learn that the God has made us very beautiful. Don't be like to anyone else. Okay? So now children, I hope that you all have understood this story. Now let's move on to the word meanings. The first word is strong. Strong means powerful. The next word is wand. Wand means a long, thick stick. The next word is wishes. Wishes means want to do something. Now the next word is trunk. Trunk means a long and flexible body part of an elephant. The last word is monster. Monster means an imaginary, ugly looking creature. Now let's move on to the question answer. Question number 1 is, what does little monkey want to be? Yes, the little monkey want to be like a giraffe, an elephant and a zebra. Now question number 2 is, who hears him? Yes, a wise woman hears him. Now question number 3 is, how does an elephant have a bath? Do you know children, how does an elephant have a bath? Yes, that's right. An elephant has a bath by filling his trunk with water and blowing water on his body. Now moving on to question number 4. Does the zebra have spots or stripes? Can you answer this question? Yes, the zebra has stripes. Now moving on to question number 5. Why does little monkey want to be himself again? Yes, as you all know that in the last, he goes to the river and when he sees that he is looking like a monster, he wants to be himself again. So the answer is, he wants to be himself again because he sees himself awful like a monster in his reflection. So that's all for the question answers. So children, I hope that you all have understood the story well, word meanings and the question answers. So bye-bye for now. Stay happy, stay safe.